Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Google Meet in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome browser. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, go with open to continue. The moment you are being navigated here at the Google Chrome, you need to proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see the Gmail, images, lab icon, and this icon which contains all the Google apps. So click on it, and the moment you do that, you need to scroll down and look for Meet. So I can see it here, but in case you haven't seen your Meet here under the featured application, don't worry. You just have to click on More from Google, and the moment you do that, you would be able to be redirected to a new tab where you can see helpful products built with you mind. In here, you need to scroll down and go with this jump to our products to see all of the products that is being created under Google. Okay, so these are the featured products. Okay, but in case if you haven't seen still the Meet here, you need to proceed with filter by and set it into for all. Once done, you would be able to see all of the Google products and services being created by Google. So in this way, you need to look for, you need to look for Google Meet. So I can see it here. So here at the Google Meet, you can sign in your account if you'd like to, and you can also try Meet for work. Okay, so I would suggest to sign in your account, okay, so that you would be able to save account here so that for the next time that you will use your Google Meet, you won't be able to sign in your account anymore since you have already logged it in. Once you're done, please proceed on here where you can join a meeting now if you'd like to join a meeting right away, or if you'd like to start a meeting instantly, you can click on this enter code. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is we need to install the Google Meet, which is the main goal of this video. So by that, you need to proceed at the upper right side of the screen, click on the three dots here, and the moment you do that, you need to scroll down and look for this cast, saved, and share. Now, the moment you locate your cursor here in this option, which is cast, saved, and share, you need to proceed with the left side of it. And in this window, you need to proceed with install page as application. So click on it, and the moment you do that, this small window would ask you to confirm your action, and that is to install the Google Meet as application. All you need to do is you need to rename that first. So I would suggest to rename that for easy identification. So I would name that Google Meet. I would suggest in your case to name that also Google Meet so that you would be able to easily identify this application. Once you're done, proceed on clicking on install and wait until a new window, which is our Google Meet, being successfully installed as an app here in our Windows. Okay, so try to close or minimize the window and as well as the Google Chrome browser. Okay, and check if it's being added here. So in my case, it is being added in my shortcut. And if I'll navigate to my button search bar and if I'll search for Meet, okay, a best match would appear, which is Google Meet as an application. Okay, you can click on open and here. Okay, so our Windows also ask us if you'd like to pin your Google Meet to your taskbar. Just proceed on yes to pin that in your taskbar. You can also click on no thanks if you'd like to decline it. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the like button as well as the comment. I mean, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to leave a comment if you have succeeded on installing the Google Meet as an application. So thank you for watching and have a good day.